Welcome back to dptutorials. In the last video, we have seen setting up of calendars in Microsoft Project. In this tutorial, let us learn about defining working and non-working time in Microsoft Project. First, go to Project tab. Click Change Working Time. Here you can see the calendar as IT server. Here in this calendar portion, you can observe that the white cells as working days and grey cells are the non-working days. When you click on any particular day, you can see the working timings on the right hand side. Go to Work Weeks tab in the bottom portion. Here you can see that it is showing as default work week, where start and finish are set as NA, which means it applies to all the weekdays. When I click on the details for default shows up. Let us set the Friday as non-working day. So click on Friday and choose the option Set Days to Non-Working Time. And to adjust the total work hours per week, let us adjust the timings for Monday to Thursday to compensate. Select Monday to Thursday and choose the third option Set days to the specific working time. When I do that, you can see the existing working times like this from 8 AM to 5 PM. Let us change the end time to 6 PM and click OK. Now you can see the changes applied to the calendar here, like Friday is showing in grey color, which is non-working time, and Monday to Thursday showing 8 AM to 6 PM. That is 9 hours per day, which means 36 hours per week. Now click OK to apply these changes now. Now go to the File tab and click on Options. Go to Schedule tab. Here we need to match the hours per day, hours per week and days per month. This helps project to know how to convert duration to work hours. Change the default end time to 6 PM, hours per day to 9 hours and hours per day to 9 hours and hours per week to 36 hours, and days per month will be 16 now. Click OK to close this dialog box. You can also set up additional work week to define some alternate schedule for. To do that, go to Project tab. Click on Change Working Time. Click on Work Weeks. Click on the second line here. Name it as Christmas season, which applies to only some specific time frame. Give the start date as 20th December and the end date as 6th January. Now you click on Details to define the working and non-working timings, like what we have done earlier. You can also use the exceptions feature, which can be used to set the non-working times like holidays, vacations, etc. You can as well define some specific working times. Let me show you an example. Let me add exception as 1st January and let me call the start date as 31st December and 1st January as the finish date. Click on Details. You can see that the project automatically non-working. So you can define the working times as well, like shown here, and click OK. Let us add one more exception as maintenance. Give a start date and click on Details. Set it as non-working, and you can also set the recurrence pattern along with the range of recurrences like shown here. You need to set exceptions for certain specific hours, say every month, first Wednesday. In the range of occurrence, set the start date and in the end date after field, enter 12 occurrences. Click OK to have an exception. You can see the end date changing automatically based on the occurrences. You can see the same in the calendar portion with the color regions. Finally, click OK when you're done with all the changes. So friends, remember that only when you set the exact working times or non-working times and added all the exceptions, your schedule would be more realistic and accurate. So friends, this is all about defining working and non-working time in Microsoft Project. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe DP Tutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.